to make a sprite we have to paint a sprite. So let's go to this, like over here, hover around here, and then you'll this kind of keys will appear. Click on this paint option. So now we can paint our own sprite. We want the game over to be like this simple one, so we select this. Then there will be like some difficulties here. If like the outline, you have to select the outline, and also you have to select the fill color as well. If there is something like this, then it won't appear, like only outline will appear. So please select a fill color. For now, let's select a red color, which says like game over. So to write anything, we use this text options. So we write game over, and we cannot see anything because like the color is red. Let's change. I've selected this all. And then let's change it to like black. If you cannot write, first like change the like text. First change the color and then type game over. Okay, now let's bring this in the center. Okay, looks pretty good, I guess. Okay, so this looks pretty good. So this will be our game over sprite. We have now made our own sprite. So what we want to do is, let's go to this coding part. Whenever like our apple touches the ground, we want game over to be seen, and whenever we click this, then we want the game over to hide. So for that, what we need is, let's go to events. So whenever this is clicked, we want the game over to hide. Let's use this. So whenever we click this, the game over hides. But whenever the apple touches the ground, it is like broadcasting game over. So whenever this receives a game over message, then when I receive, like select game over from here, when I receive game over, then we want this to show, like from looks, we want this to show, and then we want to stop everything. So we have to like stop everything that is currently running in the program. So we drag this stopper, and when we play this game, now it looks like the game that we designed. Okay, so whenever like the apple touches the ground, it says game over, and then everything freezes, everything halts. Now the game is over. To play the game again, we have to click on this button again. So this is how you uh, make a game, apple catcher game in sprite. I hope you guys have like enjoyed the videos. Thank you very much for learning.